Alrighty, so today is the course project assignment YouTube video review. The movie I have chosen is Finding Nemo. Now, there are a few scenes in Finding Nemo as well as Finding Dory, which is the second one. Like this one, it's actually from Finding Dory. It depicts and shows different scenes with trash. This one is with bottle openers on her, or the plastic rings that usually sit on cans and plastic bottles and stuff like that. This one's with the goggles. They find the goggles to use to go find Nemo that has been kidnapped. Those goggles are originally from the scuba diver themselves, but the scene also shows the the ship, the sunken ship, um, which is also trash underneath our oceans. Now I understand those are difficult to kind of fish out the ocean, kind of get out of the ocean, but it still shows that there is trash under the ocean, as well as this one with the bottles. I know this scene's kind of blurry, but all in all, the trash that we leave in our oceans and lakes, like this, especially in this movie, is something that we could all help not only prevent, but fix for our future. Because fish like Dory don't need to be caught in our trash. And if we learn to teach not only the children but the adults and ourselves how to pick up after each other, and whether it be recycle or to properly dispose of our trash, we won't have these kinds of problems. Now, I wish we could do something about the ships under the ocean, but that's another topic for another day. But I think if we start small, we might be able to make things a little bit better. And eventually, hopefully, we can get those out of the ocean. Um, it is very important, or at least to me, and I hope it would be important to everybody else. Now, if you have not seen Finding Nemo or Finding Dory, I do say you should watch them. I think they are a very cute movie. They do have scenes with trash in them, and I think that is a small way just to kind of show what is important. Thank you so much. Have a good day.